Hey girl, it's your girl Kayla. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a review on the new Benefit Boi-ing Concealers. They haven't done this in liquid form yet. They've had cream form, a cream stick concealer, and then they've also had it in a pot version. And they finally, that sounds weird, they finally created these liquid concealer versions, which I'm really excited to try out because I used to use Boi-ing Concealer when I was first starting out with makeup, and I really liked it, but the cream concealer concept for me just wasn't my thing. I prefer liquid concealers in a tube that I can apply on. That's just me. So I'm really excited to see what they've come out with and see if it is really good. Now, these claim to be cakeless concealers, so we're going to see if they do cake up or if they just go on really nicely and really brighten up my under eyes and contour really well. So I did buy the shade number 5 and the number 10 because they didn't have a huge shade range, and I don't know if it's because they're going to create more shades in the future, which I really hope they do. So I ended up just using them for highlighting and contouring today. Before I apply these, let me go ahead and explain to you guys all the specs of this concealer. So it is a cakeless concealer. There are 12 waterproof shades, and this is in the full size. In the mini size, there are only there's only 4 mini size shades. They are 24 hours full coverage. They are flexible cushion, it has a flexible cushion tip doe foot applicator for smooth application and seamless blending on targeted areas or the full face, so you can get in your nose really well. Any creases that you want to apply concealer to highlight or conceal, you can. These do retail for $22 each, and the minis I believe are $15, but I really was excited to get these because of the packaging. Let me just open one up for you. The packaging's really cute, just like their other concealers from the Boi-ing line. It has the little eraser because it erases all your imperfections, and plus they launched this line right before back to school, so it's cute. Look at the little inside of the box. The box has like a, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like the oh, what are those, the notepads that you take your notes on, obviously a notepad. I already have my foundation on. I look really weird, I know, and I'm going to go ahead and just apply these and see how well they apply and if I really like them or not. I want to start off with contouring, so I'm going to take the shade number 10 and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. I just want you guys to see how it looks when I take it out of the wand, or out of the tube, I'm sorry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and contour like I normally would. Cream contour. Excuse my wig. I think the elote man is outside and I really want to go get one, but I look crazy right now, so I totally can't do that. So I'm going to take my Morphe G40 brush and blend out the outsides of my contour, or the outer edges of my contour, and then I'm going to take a smaller brush to do the nose contour. So far, it blends out really well. I didn't want to do my entire face because I didn't want to apply the highlight because I wasn't sure how fast it was going to dry. But I mean, we'll see right now. The reason why I did contour first is because I feel like I do contour so messy that I can always clean it up with the highlighter, so. Then I'm going to take the shade number 5 and just highlight the areas where I want to be highlighted. Ooh, wow. That goes on really nicely. This is like a decent highlighting shade. We'll see how it goes. I don't see any oxidizing as well. And then I'm just gonna take my damp beauty blender and blend that out. Okay, this is pigmented. And I may have gone a little too heavy on the concealer because I'm spreading it to places that I don't want it to be. Oh my God. There's like excess concealer that I applied just too much. It literally just a little goes a long way. You really don't need too much. When you don't over apply, it blends out really nice. So I definitely just over applied concealer. You do not need to go heavy handed with this. Like literally a little goes a long way. It blends out so well. I'm gonna go ahead and set this with my Wet n Wild banana powder. I'm gonna do my eyes real quick since it's not really the main focus of the look today, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to wipe this off and see how well it blends with the powder. Dude, it's like, holy crap. So overall, I think that this looks flawless. Like, I am excited to see if they come up with more shades. I really hope they do because it would be a really great way to just conceal and go. Although I think it may be a little too full coverage for some people to just do that. But for me, I absolutely love it. I feel like this is an everyday concealer. I haven't used Boi-ing in like years, like since I started doing makeup, and I forgot how well the formula is. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a different formula, but it's just, it looks, my under eyes are like there's no bags, it's like non-existent. Like it's just insane. Like it looks so good. And then mixed with the, well, as far as I've tried this, mixed with the Wet n Wild banana powder, it looks amazing. I need to try other powders to see if it looks better with certain ones or whatnot. I know some of you guys may think like it looks, I mean, to me it doesn't look cakey. I don't know, because I can go out like this and most people will be like, dude, can you like, you know, show me how you do make your makeup so natural. I'm like, dude, I apply like a pound of makeup on, and it's crazy, like the beginning to after results. So I am impressed. I think these did a really great job, and I'm super glad to add these to my collection because I've been looking for other concealers that work really well, and I've been wanting to try more Benefit products. So for them to be in liquid form, I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are too. I will leave a link in the description bar and in the comments so you guys can go purchase yours too, because they are available today. The whole face look today, it just looks bomb. And again, the less you use, the better it comes out. So, well, not like literally minimal, but like I applied too much concealer and I probably wasted too much product to start off with, but it brightens my under eyes so well. It like, there's no creasing, it just looks amazing. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Like that's how crazy it looks. That's how good it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.